Hi everyone, welcome back to Sarojini's Virtual Assistant. Today I am going to share important tools for every virtual assistant must know and how to use them effectively. Tool number 1, Trello. Trello is your digital task board. You can create boards for each client, use lists for workflows and cards for tasks. You can assign due dates and checklists and track your progress in one glance. Tool number 2, Google Workspace. From managing Gmail and scheduling on Google Calendar to collaborating in real time on Google Docs and Google Sheets, Google Workspace is your all in one toolkit. It's free, fast, and secure. And the third one is Canva. By using Canva, you can make product designs, social media posts, client presentations. Canva makes it easy with drag and drop features. Use templates, upload brand colors, and make graphics in minutes, even if you are not a designer. And tool number 4 is ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, you get brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT can help write emails, generate ideas, proofread, or even respond to client messages. Saves time and boosts productivity. And the last one is Zoom. Zoom helps for virtual meetings, schedule calls, screen share, record sessions, and communicate professionally with your clients anywhere in the world. That's it. Your 5 must have tools are as a virtual assistant. Which one do you use the most? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart assistant tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.